And now into the Buttermarket centre. These lifts in the car park. That was Leicester controls, that just changed from orange to red. Cheap Leicester controls. And that's into green. There's some sort of logic to it. I think these were originally express lifts. It says Otis. Old Otis had the logic to create Leicester controls, which is not compatible with the original indicator. Really stupid. But logically compatible. In this lift I'd have called the floors going up, going all the floors 2, 1, ground and C, cinema. The other lift is an Ecodisc.
Going down.
See what's in there around. This is a slow Ecodisc.
Lower ground floor.
Feels like it's like 4 seconds to go 3 meters.
Going up.
Really pathetic. 3/4 of a meter a second. Going 1 floor in this lift, about 4 meters, took a rather pathetic 12 seconds, which is an average speed of 1/3 of a meter a second. Most hydraulic lifts are faster than that.